Connecting IO-Link sensors to the Unified Namespace. This is one of our recent features of the Community Edition of the Management Console, as well as the open source Bentos UMH. All you need is basically any IO-Link sensor. Here are two from IFM. There is another one, but all other brands will work as well, as long as they provide the relevant data that you need from them in the process input data field. But almost all brands do. And then you simply connect them to IFM IO-Link masters. We have here two different versions of it. Connect the sensors, connect them to power, connect them to the network, and then you're ready to go. So now we can go easily into the management console and simply add a new connection. I select here my VM. I set the AL1342. Add the IP address. The port is 80 because it's using HTTP. Area, it already took the location for my instance, 1342. And that's it. Now I'm pressing save, and now it will save the connection. So now we have created the connection and it's working. It has a latency of 5 milliseconds. Now we can easily add a protocol converter on top of it. What you need to do is now simply select SensorConnect IO-Link. You can take all the standard settings here. They will work just fine. Press save and deploy. And that's it. So now we can see it's working. The latency is fine. The throughput is fine. And we can go into the tech browser and check it out. Here we see the AL1342 that we've just added. We see there are 3 sensors connected to it. 1, 2, 3. On the first one, we see there is what was connected here. I mean, we can easily look it up. Let's take a look at the product code. It's the AL1342. The product name is the KQ6005. We see all the metadata here, and we see it's outputting 0. Let's take a look here at the distance. The distance here is 5. And on the third sensor that's connected, I think that was a switch. We see here some changing data. And how it works is it will take the data from the process input data field. It will download, cache, and interpret automatically the IODD files. It would then contextualize the process input data. So we get this nice result of switch state, distance, like this very contextualized information. Then it will append some metadata to it and send it to the Unified Namespace. And now you can see it here, not only in the tech browser, but also you would be able to see it in MQTT and Kafka as well. If you're interested in more, there is an upcoming webinar from my colleagues Matthias and Alex, where they will showcase on how to use those sensors and IFM IO-Link masters, which is a great opportunity for you to go again through all of the steps, step by step, and also ask all of the questions that you ever wanted to ask.